In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 3D action figure using Gemini AI. Whether you're looking to bring your creative ideas to life or explore the exciting world of AI-generated imagery, this tutorial will guide you through every step. So grab your devices and let's get started. First, you'll need to begin by clicking on New Chat in the Gemini AI platform. This action will initiate the session where all the magic happens. If you're new to Gemini AI, don't worry, it's user-friendly, and you'll quickly get the hang of it as we progress. Think of this as opening a fresh canvas to paint your ideas onto. Once you've started the new chat, direct your attention to the plus sign. You're going to click on this to upload a photo. Select a reference image that inspires you or one you wish to transform into a 3D image. This is where you set the stage for your creation, so choose wisely based on how you'd like your final model to look. Next, you'll paste a specific prompt into the chat. This step might seem a bit technical, but it's essential for guiding the AI on how to transform your uploaded image. The AI relies on this input to understand your vision and deliver results that match what you're imagining. Make sure to follow any formatting instructions carefully for the best outcomes. Now it's time to move deeper into the creative toolbox. Click on Tools to access a variety of options meant to fine-tune your design process. Exploring different tools can unearth new dimensions of creativity for your model, like changing styles or enhancing specific features to make your action figure stand out. After you've explored the tools and you're satisfied with your setup, go ahead and click on Create Images. This is the stage where the AI does its magic, leveraging its algorithms to craft a unique 3D rendition of your chosen image. It's like watching a digital sculptor at work. And this transformation process is truly fascinating. Subsequently, you'll click on Submit. This acts as a confirmation for Gemini AI to finalize and process your design. It's a small step with big implications because it signals that you're ready to see the end product of your creative journey. Finally, your model should now be ready for download. You'll see a notification or a section where you can download your newly created 3D image. This is the rewarding moment when all your efforts culminate in a tangible digital art piece that you can use, share, or even print if you're venturing into physical forms. Now you know how to create a 3D action figure using Gemini AI, blending creativity with cutting-edge technology. I encourage you to explore further and try different designs, as the possibilities are practically endless. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy your crafting journey with AI.